It was actually kind of a hard angle to draw because the camera was in the way and there was a stand there. Hey, what's up you guys? This is ZH Comic Art, aka Zach Shear, and today... Crap. Sorry about that. Anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to draw from the ground up. You know, I made a lot of changes on my Instagram if you follow me on there, so I will be showing you guys how to draw basic figures today, maybe some dynamic poses, but mostly just like proportions, the basic stick figure. And right now I'm gonna go do my cardio, eat my breakfast, go work out, and after that I will have the tutorial for you guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. 6 long seconds later. I'm back, guys. You guys like my shirt? Pretty cool, huh? Venom. Anyways, let's get right into the drawing. What I'm going to be doing for you guys is I will show you the basic figure in 4 different poses or angles. It's pretty much going to be one figure and then I'll turn him around so you guys know how to draw him in different angles. And without further ado, let's go. I'm going to start off by saying that these figures are not complete. They're pretty much just there so you can create poses with them. You can put them in space, put them in environments. And right now I'm working on the front view of the figure. It's pretty simple. You can see it's pretty much just made out of sticks, balls. that doesn't sound quite right. But what I'm trying to say is you can break the figure up into really basic shapes so that you can kind of turn it around or place it in an environment really easily without much effort. Here is the 3/4 view. I'm pretty much just turning the character around a little bit. All the proportions and the shapes stay the same, but you can see one side slightly smaller than the other because it is being turned. Here I'm drawing the profile of the figure. As you can see, it doesn't just go up and down, there's actually a slight curve to the figure. Later in the video I will be drawing the lines of all the backs, or all the spines I should say, and you guys will get a better idea of what I'm talking about. But here's the profile. Now I'm working on the back view of the figure. If you notice, it's actually the same as the 3/4 view until we start putting in more detail and showing that it's actually the back and not the front. I'm gonna put in some ink now so you guys can see it better. Here you can see I'm drawing the curves of the spines. For the front view, it's just a straight line because you're looking right at it. For the 3/4 view and back view, you can see there's a slight S shape, and for the profile, that S shape is a little more exaggerated because it's right from the side. Let me get a closer view for you guys. So it was actually kind of a hard angle to draw because the camera was in the way and there was a stand there, but I tried my best for you guys. Hopefully this helped a bit, and I'm gonna be doing a female version soon. This video shout out goes to Harukami Art. If you want to win a shout out too, make sure you turn on post notifications on here by clicking the little bell. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's get this video to 300 likes. Leave a comment telling me what I should do next. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I will see you guys next time. Wah, 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 wah. I can't do this.